Hey, it's Tax Scripts time from TaxMama.com. Today, Tax Mama hears from Susan in the Tax Scripts forum with an ever more common situation. My dad, age 88, is in a nursing home because my mom can no longer care for him. I wanted to know which nursing home expenses are considered medical expenses. Well, Susan, you got an excellent response from Susan Holdgrief, a new EA in Erie, Pennsylvania. Susan says your father's care, including the room and board portion, are considered medical expenses. She adds a valuable tip. I'm not sure if you're asking this on behalf of your mom or yourself, but if you're the one providing more than half his support, then he can be considered a dependent, as parents don't have to live with you to be your dependent. If you're single, that means you get to use the head of household filing status. Medical and dental expenses are explained in IRS Publication 502, and it's worth looking into, as you might see something that you paid for in 2011 that you didn't know could be deducted as a medical expense. Now, if only Congress would let us deduct the cost of gas that the family uses to drive back and forth from the nursing home. You can deduct mileage for trips to the doctors, though. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about aging, medical expenses, and other tax issues free. Where? Where else? At TaxMama.com.